Hey kids, Mr. Glenn here. So we are going to go and think about how this works and if there's something we need to change in here, because I can see that there is. Uh, there's something that is missing at the moment, and that is an effect. All the way through our game at this time, we are going to want things to happen and make it look sort of realistic and good for the game. So inside my sprites button, we have titles called create, physics, and effects. Now, in our effects, we can make things happen as our sprites move, and our cannon is another kind of sprite. So what I can say here is with my cannon, I can have start spray effect, or I can change my spray effect to be something else. So I can change my cannon here because I've got my black triangle again. My cannon and start with spray effect, and probably what I want is probably some fire or a trail maybe. So I can choose which one I want. So I can go and experiment. So maybe I can start with a trail effect. Maybe I can change this to something shorter rather than half a second. I want it to be much shorter. I want it to be right behind it. So as it starts it, now I should have a trail effect that seems to have something. It's going to change it to fire. See what it does now. So it'll refresh this. There, that's more like it. So you can see that I've got that fire happening off my ship. That's much better. Yes, I like that. Right. Let's go and have a look at that and see if you can go and add your own effects to your own cannons.